Today we're going to go over the removal and installation of the blue clip that will come with your EFI fittings on your 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch fittings. It's going to look like this. You basically need a flathead screwdriver or a small pick will work. You want to be very careful on not stretching out the clip too much. You will stretch it a little bit, but you're going to get in here, you're going to put a little tension on it, kind of do a little pulling action just to remove it from said fitting. You can see the clip held its figure. It's not stretched out. So now with installation, you have the clip removed. We have our EFI fitting that we're going to use. You install it into the fitting. Make sure you're past the lock on the fitting. You're going to take your clip, install it on one side, and then just give it enough where it clears the tabs, and it'll lock right in place without stretching it too far, and then it locks your fitting on the EFI connector just like that.